Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing one of my brand new bags that I got for Christmas this year. So this was actually a little present to myself, and I'm very excited to share this with you guys. I already unboxed it on TikTok and Instagram, but still wanted to do somewhat of an unboxing on YouTube. So let's go ahead and open her up. So we have the St. Laurent Uptown pouch in the grain embossed leather in black. And you guys, I absolutely love this clutch. If you saw my luxury wish list video, I'll have it linked below. I was debating what color, and I'm ultimately decided to get the black because I do plan on using this as an evening clutch, yes, but from day to day, and especially while traveling, for accessories and to actually use it for like additional storage. And so of course we'll do a what fits in this video, first impressions and whatnot. Honestly, first impressions, and I don't know if it's just because I've been buying mini bags lately. This bag is so, like, this clutch is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it holds more than I thought it would. So let me grab a couple of bags for comparison, and then my planners to show y'all what I mean. And actually, let's just start with dimensions now that I think about it. So, according to the St. Laurent website, this bag measures 10.6 by 6.2, and it's 0.7 inches, or it can be 0.7 inches in depth. And so, again, a little bit larger than I anticipated. Here is my most recent purchase before this, the St. Laurent phone holder for perspective. This is the smallest bag I own, but then we also have the Gucci Super Mini, and as y'all can see, actually I guess this is the smallest bag I own, like size comparison on this bag. I also brought my other St. Laurent clutch, so this is the monogram clutch, and I don't know what is on this, but this one is significantly longer and then a little bit taller than this one. And so I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't for something this large. Honestly thought it was going to be a little bit smaller because I did plan for everyday use using it for pins, which I'm still going to do, but I just thought it'd be more, like I could fit it in more bags. Like this I couldn't fit in as many bags. And that's not a complaint at all. It's always nicer. They do have conversion kits to turn this into a crossbody, and it'll be like a little insert and you can put the chain in. I don't think I would wear this as a crossbody just because I don't know how I would feel about the look, but I'm thinking about getting the insert to protect the bag as well as organize what I need, but also to use that same hook to add maybe honestly the strap from here and use it like a true clutch. Like I think I would just go back and forth between using this for here and here. That way I just have a handle on the bag, if that makes sense, but I do want to use it as a clutch. And by conversion, it's pretty similar to the conversion kit for this bag. And honestly guys, I use this more as a clutch than I do a crossbody. It's a nice option that I can use this as a crossbody with the conversion kits, but honestly, I like using these as what they're meant for with clutches. And so I do think I'll get the organizer, of course, because I always get the organizers to protect the bag, but I really do think I'm going to get the one with the D-ring, so that way I can have the option, because you never know. It's also always nice to have the option. So I will have a separate video on that and probably like an updated review once that comes in, like I normally do. But yeah, that is the size. And let's go into what fits. Actually,